Alright, so yun mga Kawaw Amazing, gagawa tayo ng trending snack. Yan, sana mag 1 million, 4 million views to, no? Try nyo, masarap to. Siyempre, bell pepper, cream cheese, and Cheetos na cheddar jalapeno. Dapat parehas yung ingredients. Okay? Sarap. Uy!
Hugasan mo muna to.
Cream cheese.
Hugasan mo muna.
No! Already wash it. Yan. Uy! The moment of truth. I'm telling the truth. Nothing but the truth. Try muna natin dalawa, no?
Okay na yan.
Yan. So, more cream cheese, more delicious. Then put some
Cheetos.
Cheetos. Let's try.
Dapat daw madaming Cheetos para masarap.
Ayan, mga Kawaw Amazing, oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hop.
Wala, no? The best. Let's try, guys. Promise. Cheetos, bell pepper, cream cheese.
Hop.
Nako, ang sarap. Delicious. Right? Bye.